Hello everybody, so today I will talk about the calculus. Here is about the question. A farmer wants to fence in a rectangular pasture adjacent to a river. The pasture must contain 180,000 square yards in order to provide enough grass for the herd. What dimensions should the farmer choose to minimize the cost of fencing if no fencing is needed along the river? So I will show the answer. Let S is the length, or maybe you can use a width too, because we don't know exactly the length or the width. The next one, we have 180,000. So in this situation, we can find the width or length is about 180,000 divided by S. So now we need to divide into scenario. First, S is about the length, or S may be about the width, so we don't know which one is can minimize the cost. That's why we need to divide to scenario. Scenario number one, S is the length and S is along with the river. So the perimeter of the garden should be like this. We need to calculate perimeter of the fence, and we have no fencing is needed along the river. So because S is along with the river, so we just one side of the length and two sides of the width, and we have the function equal to S plus 2 multiplied with 180,000 divided by S in here, and we have S plus 360,000. Now we will do about first derivative. And we got about 1 minus this number power 2, and we put first derivative equal to 0. Then we know that this number equal to 1, and we have S power 2 is about this number, and we find the S in here. Is about 600. So we put F 600 in this function, and the answer is about 1,200. Now the next one, scenario number 2. S is the width and S is along with the river. So because S is about the width and S along with the river, no, wrong, this one should be about the river. And now we change the situation like this. So we have two lengths in here, and we have this number along to the river, so we swap two numbers together, and now we have 2S plus this number. Now we do first derivative. Is about 2 minus this number. We put first derivative equal to 0. And this one equal to 0, so that we can find about the minimum. That's about 300. And we put 300 in this function. We got about 1200. So we do 2 way in here and we got about the same one. Now we can conclude that the length in here is about 600 and the width in here is about 600, so that they can get about the minimum of the cost of fencing. That's the end. Thank you for watching.